What's up guys, Samsung is going to unleash its next big thing, the Samsung Galaxy A90 5G. This will be indeed the most cheapest Samsung 5G phone. It's the first ever device in a series to have a flagship processor that is Snapdragon 855 SoC. Apart from that, we know nothing about it, but that has been changed today because we have official teaser video as well as the leaked official retail box for the Galaxy A90 phone, which shows how the phone looks and reveals its key specification. By looking at the phone on the upfront, we have the official design of the phone along with A90 tags with 5G tags. On the front side of the box, we see a rocking U-shaped notch and its design looks similar to the design of A70. The display is going to be a 6.7 Full HD Plus, and the good thing is it is with AMOLED. On the side, we have a power and a volume rocker button, where on the back side we have a triple camera sensor just like the other range of A-series devices. We have a 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel of ultra-wide camera and a 5 megapixel of depth sensor camera, which is similar to what we find on Galaxy A70. Since it looks similar to A70, but there are some premiumness to the handset. The frame is made up of metal and the camera ring looks like made of metal. We have got a Snapdragon 855 SoC chip inside the mid-range device for the first time. A flagship processor is placed in a non-flagship Samsung device, as the reason I believe will be the 5G, as no mid-range processor currently support 5G. So Samsung has no option to put the flagship processor, the Snapdragon 855, inside the Galaxy A90. We have a full list of leaked specification confirming that it has an Infinity U display, a 5G network support, an octa-core Snapdragon 855 processor, a triple camera. I have already told you guys there is a 32 megapixel of front camera and a storage of 128 gigs, while a high 6 gigs of RAM. Along with that, we have a super fast charging support inside the box as well. We don't know about the battery capacity of the 5G device yet, but soon we can find it out. The teaser video also highlighted the 5G aspect of the device, as it also includes some emojis which are coming alongside with the Samsung Galaxy A90. This phone is probably close to its launch, especially in India, so you guys will get a first-hand-on experience on the Galaxy A90. So all in all, it's the best cheap 5G phone with a Snapdragon 855 processor inside it. So let's see how it performs in the upcoming days. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video and want to see more like this video, consider subscribing my channel, and I will meet you in the next one. Peace out.